This 60-second shorts video has gotten over 21,000 views since it was published in 2020. This 6-minute video has gotten over 53,000 views since it was published in 2020. So which is better to make? In this video, you'll discover the pros and cons of uploading YouTube Shorts versus uploading regular videos so you can decide which type grows your channel faster. The beauty of YouTube Shorts is that they can easily be discovered while people are browsing their phones using the YouTube app. Once they tap into a short, viewers can scroll to watch more of your short videos. They can also be discovered on the YouTube homepage at youtube.com when viewers are checking their subscriptions, and featured on your channel homepage if you've added a short section. Shorts can also be discovered in YouTube search as shown here. Let's look at the top traffic sources for this video. 42% comes from YouTube search, almost 14% comes from the Shorts feed, 11% comes from external, 11% comes from end screens, and 9% comes from suggested videos. Here's what YouTube says about how Shorts views are counted for the Shorts feed.
All of the views that are classified in that traffic source type are the ones from viewers sort of swiping up to your video in the Shorts player. If people are clicking onto your short from the Home tab, those would still be marked as kind of in the normal browse traffic source.
Keep in mind that regular videos don't get traffic from the short shelf, so if you want to expose your content to a different audience, make Shorts videos. Another benefit of making Shorts videos is that they're easy to make. You simply tap on the plus sign in the YouTube app to create a short. Tap on Create a Short. Now you're ready to create a short. You have the ability to make a 15 to 60 second Shorts video using the YouTube Shorts camera app, and you can edit the video right in the app so you don't have to leave YouTube. Another benefit is that no thumbnail is required. Even if you upload a thumbnail, it's not going to appear on the short shelf when people are browsing their phones using the YouTube app. However, thumbnails do appear in the search results, on the home screen, and on channel pages, so it may be worth uploading a regular YouTube thumbnail. Another benefit of uploading YouTube Shorts is the ability to sample audio from other people's videos. You can mix some music from YouTube's audio library or use the original audio from any videos across YouTube. Keep in mind the shorts you make with sampled audio are attributed back to the source creator's original video. Another thing to keep in mind when sampling other people's audio or music is that the owner may restrict the use of the long-form content. They also can delete the original content at any time, which means that your audio will be muted or deleted on your Shorts video. Did you know you can also make money from Shorts videos? YouTube has set up a $100 million Shorts fund that rewards creators that make Shorts videos that delight the YouTube community. To be eligible for the bonus from the Shorts fund, you need to have uploaded an eligible Shorts video to your channel in the last 180 days. You also must be over 13 years old and have an AdSense account connected to a YouTube account for payments. Let's look at the cons of uploading Shorts videos to YouTube. Number one, your views don't count towards watch time. This means that even if your Shorts videos get a lot of views, it doesn't count towards the 4,000 hours of watch time that's required to join the YouTube Partner program. You may get a lot of views from people browsing the short shelf using their phones, but they may not engage with your videos. Another disadvantage is that you have to keep your Shorts videos short, between 15 and 60 seconds, so you can't explain things too deeply. Another disadvantage of Shorts videos is that you can only sample 15 seconds from the YouTube audio library or from other people's videos. If sampling audio from other people's videos, you run the risk of that author disabling the permissions to use that audio in your video. This means the audio in your Shorts video will be muted or deleted. Getting views can also be more challenging because your thumbnail doesn't appear on the short shelf when people are browsing their phones using the YouTube app. Another disadvantage is that YouTube doesn't send notifications for Shorts videos for every subscriber that has hit the bell. This means that your subscribers are not going to see all your Shorts videos. Another disadvantage is that you can't generate much revenue. For example, even though the Shorts video has gotten over 21,000 views, it's only earned $43.46 since it was published in 2020. Advertisers don't want to advertise on Shorts videos because they're so short. Regular videos or videos that are over 8 minutes long allow you to place multiple ads throughout the video. This enables you to earn much more money than Shorts videos. The chance of generating revenue from the Shorts fund is very slim because you're competing with other big YouTubers in the same niche. Let's look at the pros and cons of regular YouTube videos. Regular YouTube videos appear in the YouTube search results, Google search results, YouTube home screen, your YouTube channel homepage, suggested videos, up next, and also on the YouTube app. As you can see, the top traffic sources for this video is YouTube search, 72%, external, 20%, direct to unknown 2%, and suggested videos 2%. Typically, I'll get initial views from browse features, which are videos that appear on the home screen at youtube.com or on the YouTube app. The public watch time is also counted towards the 4,000 hours of public watch time required to join the YouTube Partner Program. The longer somebody watches your video, the more watch time you'll accumulate on your channel. For example, if you do a 1 hour live stream and 10 people are watching your live stream for 1 hour, you get 10 hours of watch time on your YouTube channel. Another huge benefit is that you can make more money. For example, this video has earned over $4,000 since it was published, gained over 1.5 million views, and attracted over 8,000 subscribers. Viewers will be more inclined to watch an ad on a longer video than a shorts video because they're more invested into the content. You can also place multiple ads in an 8-minute video, resulting in more revenue for your channel. Another benefit is that you can take viewers deeper into your content and therefore keep them engaged for longer periods of time. YouTube has said that if you get a high audience retention and a high click-through rate on your YouTube videos, it's more likely that YouTube will recommend your videos on other people's watch pages. It's more difficult to do that with a shorts video. Another benefit is that you can upload a YouTube thumbnail that appears in YouTube search, Google search, suggested videos, YouTube home screen, and on your YouTube channel homepage. Let's look at the cons of making and uploading regular YouTube videos. Longer videos take a longer time to make because you spend more time filming and more time editing. Another con is keeping viewers engaged. It's much harder to keep viewers engaged for a longer video like 8 minutes than a shorts video that is 15 to 60 seconds. A shorts video may take 30 minutes to film, edit, and upload, whereas a regular video that is 8 minutes or longer may take 10 or 20 hours to film, edit, and upload. Alternatively, you can do a 1 hour live stream so you don't have to edit the video. Another disadvantage is that long form videos don't receive any views from the shorts feed. These are views coming from people browsing the shorts videos from their phones using the YouTube app. So which type of video is the best to make to grow your YouTube channel? A shorts video or regular videos? YouTube follows the audience, so I recommend uploading both types of videos to see how your audience reacts. Focus on the quality of your content rather than the quantity. You can do this by focusing on the topics that your audience is interested in. For shorts videos, you can focus on one hot tip that's standalone content. You could also repurpose the content from a regular video by taking one hot tip from that video and making a shorts video. At the end of your shorts video, you can redirect viewers to your long video so they can take a deeper dive into your content so you can get views from shorts and regular videos. Keep in mind that both types of videos can attract new subscribers. For example, this shorts video attracted 84 new subscribers. Let me ask you a question. What if you could immediately boost the views for your YouTube channel? Would you be interested? Watch the video on the screen right now for 6 ways to boost your YouTube channel so you can get more views and subscribers. You'll be glad you did.